Yeah, I don't understand why a lot of mainstream manufacturers of microphones, even real premium brands, are still producing a lot of microphones with very limited functions, while it's definitely possible to make microphones with everything what we need. And one positive example is this one here, and that's this AM8PROT AmpliGame FIFINE RGB streaming microphone kit. Yeah, it comes as a kit, comes in with the boom arm with a RGB light, and not only a simple light but actually very sophisticated light. By the way, of course, I'm already recording from this microphone here, so actually pretty much everything what you hear during this video is recorded by this microphone already. So I moved the box away and turned down the light a little bit so you can see that better. I just have to push here on the top, you can see, and then it changes the RGB mode, and not only the color but also the pattern. You can see, absolutely amazing. There are so many awesome pattern, I think even hundreds of them. You can see that here, this one, and we have full mode, we have some pulsing mode, we have multi-color modes. It's absolutely fantastic, and we do not only have a color here on the boom arm, we also have an RGB light on the microphone. Of course you can hear when I'm pushing here, but I'm still doing that here. So I push, you can see we have also here, we have solid lights, we have different colors, we have steady, we have pulsing, we have rotating, we have also hundreds of different modes, and we have even some modes where it's reacting on my voice. So I think I have found the one here, you can see, and of course that looks pretty cool, I think. Of course, what's missing here is a pop filter, but I think there is no problem, at least not as long as we are staying away a little bit from the microphone. But even when I go really close here, you can see, I think there is absolutely no pop effect here. It's just a little bit louder. Also something you have to know, there is no shock mount here. So whenever you touch the microphone or the boom arm, you can definitely hear that. And we don't have any cable management here for the boom arm, so that's the reason why I'm using it mounted from the top, so I can let the USB cable and the headphone cable just hang down easily. Yeah, we get the whole set here exactly how it is, with a solid, really wide clamp, with the boom arm, with the LED light, and also this really sophisticated microphone holder, so you can rotate this. Of course, it's intended to talk directly from the top, or actually from the front. When you have it to the sides, then it's not recording so much anymore, because actually we have here a dynamic microphone. We don't have a condenser microphone. That's also a huge advantage, especially regarding voice. As far as I know, actually best type of microphones regarding the voice, and we have actually even much more. And so when I rotate this here a little bit, I have to go a little bit closer, but of course it also doesn't have the same microphone recording effect, but I hope you can still understand. And so you can see we have this light here. Yeah, put this a little bit to the side. I hope you can still understand me. So we have actually this button. This is a rotatable button, and it's on the right side. So this means now with this knob I can adjust the microphone gain. So I turn this a little bit down. I hope you can still understand me. It's on 0, and now I'm coming back. So I was just talking about the volume, nothing else. So probably you haven't been able to understand me. This volume knob does definitely show the volume here on top. Of course, again, this is not the way how we are talking into this microphone, but I wanted to show you here how this looks. We also have a mute function, so when I talk here and push here, I think in a sudden, yeah, of course I repeat this again because you couldn't understand me, because after pushing it was showing the red light, and that means total mute. So at least we have an indicator, but of course when you hold it like that, it's almost impossible for me to see the red color here. That's something which you have to be aware of. So switch back now to this position. When I push here again, I hope you can still understand me. I think, yeah, you can. Then I can control the audio level, not actually the gain level, but actually the audio level of these earbuds which I have here connected with 3.5mm directly here inside, so I can hear what's going on, and it's a real live monitoring. That's a total different thing compared to the option which you have on a Windows computer, where it goes to the computer and then it cycles back to the microphone and to your headphones with quite some delay. Here it's absolutely at the same time, absolutely no lags, no delays. This is how it should be, and so I can adjust the volume just for me here, and when I push again, then the LED is on the left side, and so I can adjust or actually mix the volume between the microphone output and the computer output. So especially very good for gaming, so you can hear the gaming audio and you can hear how you sound when you're talking. And so after using it a little bit different, talking into the microphone from the side, which is definitely not recommended, I have it now back in the probably perfect situation, maybe a hand away from the microphone, straight pointed towards my mouth. This is how it should be, I think, at least. I mean, I don't have a lot of experience with dynamic microphones, but I tried a little bit around and I was absolutely blown away what clarity you can reach. The level of authenticity regarding the recording is absolutely awesome. It's probably impossible to get that with just a condenser microphone, and so I'm planning to use that in the future for my next videos where I need some voiceover. I think it has also a very low self-noise level. I mean, on full gain we can hear that a little bit. So to compare that, I've reduced a little bit the gain, and I think now the noise level is now pretty much absolutely on zero. You can just hear that on the very highest level, which I'm always tempted to use, but actually I think it's not recommended. So I have reduced the gain a little bit. So I leave it like that with a little bit reduced gain. So I mean, I'm finished anyway here for the moment. Really super happy with it, even though it's a little bit more complicated to use than a normal standard plug and play gaming mic. For example, like the AmpliGame A6T, which I've also been testing. Super plug and play, even easier to use than this one here, almost impossible to believe. A little bit less functions, no live monitoring, but still perfect for gaming, streaming, chatting. But this thing definitely on a higher level, I would say pretty much semi-professional. Definitely something which I never had before. And so at least at the moment I'm super happy with it. Would say full recommendation from my side. And so for interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. It's so beautiful, has so many functions, so good quality, could also be a really great gift for somebody. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this microphone, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.